students. How are you today? I hope everyone's okay. Are you ready for this online class? Yes, you are. And it's English time. Okay, for this week topic, are you excited? Yes, okay. There you go. Let's proceed to our topic for this week. Okay, our topic for this week is all about shapes. Okay, can we read together? Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Okay, we will learn about basic shapes. Are you excited now? Yes, you are. Okay, there you go. Let's proceed to our topic. But before that, we will listen, look, and repeat together. Square. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Square. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Square. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Star. Heart. Oval. Diamond. Star. Heart. Oval. Diamond. Okay, that's it. I hope you're having fun while watching the video clip. Okay, there you go. Teacher Marisa prepared you the vocabulary of shapes. Are you ready for that? Okay, yes you are. Okay, now let's read together 2 times. Okay? Yes, okay. Shapes. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Okay. First, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Triangle. Next, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rectangle. Next, diamond. Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Next, oval. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Last, star. S-T-A-R. Star. Very good. You made it. Okay. Can we read it Okay, shapes. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, diamond, oval, star. Very good. It's very easy, right? That's all for this week. Take your time to read and repeat it again at home. Okay, let's listen and repeat.
Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Let's learn about shapes today. Here we go.
Circle,
Square,
square,
diamond,
diamond,
triangle,
triangle,
cross,
cross,
rectangle,
rectangle,
star,
star, moon,
oval,
oval,
heart.
heart.
Learning shapes is fun. Next, let's listen and repeat. Let's do it.
Circle,
Circle, square,
square,
diamond,
diamond,
triangle,
triangle,
cross,
cross,
rectangle,
rectangle,
star,
star, moon,
oval,
oval,
heart.
heart.
Super job! Now you know your shapes. Check the end of this video for more fun kids videos. And remember to subscribe.
Okay, that's it. I hope you're having fun while watching the videos. Okay, there you go. Let's have a very easy conversation. Okay, Q for question. What shape is this? Okay, again, let's make it. What shape is this? What shape is this? Okay, look at the picture. What shape is this? What do you think? Yes. Then you're gonna answer it in complete sentence. You can answer, it's a star. Very good. Again, it's a star. Very good. Exactly. Next, let's read again. What shape is this? Look at the picture. What shape is this? Then you can answer, what do you think? Yes, then you say, it's a square. It's a square. Very good. Very easy, right? Yes, you made it. Let's make it again. What shape is this? Then you can answer, it's a star. Okay, next. What shape is this? Then, it's a square. Very good. It's very easy, right? And understandable. Practice this at home using the book question, what shape is this? And then you can answer, it's a star. It's a square. It's a circle. Okay. Do you understand that? Yes. Okay. Let's play a game. Okay. Lesson and point. Okay. You're gonna point it. What teacher will say. Are you ready for that? This is number 1. Look at the picture of shapes and listen to me and point. Number 1. Okay. Oval. Oval. Where is the oval? Can you point it? This one? Oh no. And this one? Oh no. How about this one? Yes, you are. It's an oval. Very good. Next, number 2. Are you ready for that? Look at the picture. Okay? Look at the gonna count 1, 2, 3. Can you point it where? Exactly. Very good. You made it. It's very easy, right? And number 3, look at the picture. Okay. Listen to teacher. Are you ready for that? Yes. Okay. Number 3. Listen to me. Diamond. Diamond. 1, 2, 3. Where is it? Can you point it? Point it. Good job. There you go. It's a diamond. Next, number 4. Look at the picture and listen. Listen. Star. 1, 2, 3. Can you point where is the star? There you go. Exactly. Very good. Star. Next, number 5. Okay. Listen. Listen. Okay. Heart. Where is it? Heart. 1, 2, 3. Can you point where is the heart? There you go. Very good. Yes. Okay, and lastly, listen to teacher. Are you ready for that? Okay. Triangle. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. Can you point where is it? Where? Excellent. Very good. You got it. Okay. It's very easy, right? Take your time to do it at home and keep on playing and pointing it. Okay, I hope you're having fun listening and repeating to our topic for this week. Okay, there you go. Let's have a simple reading. Okay, a very simple reading comprehension. No, it's just a reading about plants. Okay, it's a short reading for you. Are you excited for that? Yes. Okay, look at the picture. What do you think is that? Yes, very good. It's a car. A car. Okay, let's read it. Okay, look at this car. Let's spell it first. C-A-R. Car. Okay, can we read? Car. Car. A car. A car. A red car. Okay, what color? Red car. Okay, a red car. Okay, next. This is a red car. This is a red car. Okay, can we read it fluently? Car. A car. A red car. This is a red car. Very good. You made it, right? It's very easy. Yes, you are. I hope you're having fun reading this at home. Try to keep on reading and repeating. Okay? That's all for this week. Okay? Just keep on watching my video clip. Keep repeating it so that you will recognize and familiarize all the vocabularies. Okay? That's all for this week. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. Bye.